Hello everyone, welcome to my channel All-in-One Yami's Kitchen and Travel. Today we are making instant jalebi using idli batter. It is very quick and easy recipe. You can try this at your home. So let's start. So this recipe requires minimal ingredients. Here I am taking 1 cup of idli batter. Just take it in the bowl as it is and give it a mix. Now add 1/4 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour, which gives the jalebi's crunchiness. Just mix it. Now add little bit of food color. Here I am using red orange food color. You can also use kesar or saffron instead of the food color. Give it a mix and then add little bit of water and mix it properly to make good consistency. Here you can see we need flowing consistency for jalebis, so add water slowly and mix it thoroughly. The consistency should look like this. It should be flowing. So now let's make the sugar syrup. Here I am taking half cup of white sugar, which I don't like, but without that we cannot make jalebis. Now add half cup of water and give it a mix till the sugar dissolves. I know it's not healthy, but without that we cannot make jalebi. After a lot of hard work, you deserve some happiness and cheat meal. So here is my cheat meal. I love jalebis and this is my first attempt of making jalebi. A bit of cardamom powder for flavor and boil this syrup on a medium flame for 10 minutes. Now take a batter in the icing maker or you can take the jalebi maker. Now in a preheated pan take some oil or ghee for frying, and on the other side check the sugar syrup. It should be sticky. Now add a food color in that. Now this is a very important step. Once sugar syrup cools down, it crystallizes. So to avoid that, please add lemon juice. Now make a jalebis in this form and oh, it's very nice. Though it's not in good shape, but it's looking nice. This is my first attempt. Once jalebi is fried and turns little bit golden, add it in the sugar syrup for 30 seconds so that it absorbs the sugar syrup and the color. So here you can see the jalebis. Now I'll show you the other method of making jalebis. If you don't have a jalebi maker or icing maker, just use a Ziploc bag and make a cone out of it like this and then make a jalebis. It is very easy to make a nice shape by using this Ziploc bag. So the awesome jalebis are ready. It's ready to eat. Here you can see it's very crunchy and very soft from inside. Wow, so crunchy. So if you like this yummy instant jalebi recipe, give it a try to home and let me know your feedback in a comment box section. And thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get a notification whenever I upload new recipe in the future. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.